Hey guys, this is my new hand blender. It is great for whipped cream, shakes, cropped fresh meat, protein shake, etc. It brings all the items here in the picture. Let me open this real quick just to show you. I'll probably be doing a protein shake because I do them all day. It's gonna be pretty handy. And the best part is, you know, it brings everything right here. Very self-explanatory. It has different functions. And as you can see, it brings even the blades. Last but not least, the last of it. A little cup of 800 milliliters.
It's amazing because it's a 3-in-1, so this is going to help to save time, space, and effort while cooking. Super multi-function.